Who am I? Huh? Who am I? No, I'm playing Sick Whips. No. Joking. See if I can do a little quick walk around. Out here trying to put that work in. Been out here for a while. Trying to break down that tire right there. Been doing this tire for yesterday and today. I had to take a break, not do too much, 2 days in a row, because my ankle has been hurting. When I was sitting there talking about, I hadn't recorded from that other clip, so since then it's been 2 days, and other than the raining, like it's drizzling right now, you can probably hear it. Let's see if I can see if I can. Should be able to see the water hitting that part of the tarp. I need to pull that tarp back up, but much as it's been raining and hellacious to do anything. Been thinking there's a hurricane outside the last 2 days. Much has been raining and oh, excuse me. Let me grab this other phone. We're transferring video. I need to find a better way to do that. But as you can see, oh, about tripped, broke my neck. Made a lot of people happy if I did that, huh? I still have one black wheel to break down. Oh, let's switch so I can. So I still have that wheel to break down, break the bead off. I dismounted those 2 rims for time saving, video saving. Still got a bucket of sauce there. This wheel is not wanting to come off. The rim. I've been doing everything, but being the sidewall is so big that it's not wanting to come off. That tire, that bead is broke, I think. I just need to take the rim off of that one. I was hoping to video the process how I've been able to do that. And that wheel is broken down. That rim is off of it. No, that's the tire that needs to be broke down. That's the one with the bead still locked in. This is the one that the beads already broke down. So I need to take that one off the tire, which is easy. I did it in 3 seconds, felt like. But yeah, that's the one, the rims that still broke down. I mean, still tight. And then that wheel, that bead's still tight. But actually I did notice something's missing. We're gonna go see those wheels. Kind of funny situation. I put those wheels in. We're gonna walk past my nasty pool. It needs to be clean. Kids thought it'd be funny to put dirt in it. Oh, my leg has been hurting so bad. Oh, it's been hurting. No, we're going to skip that one since it's got no tire on it. But won't that look incredible? Oh shoot, my leg's hurting so bad. But man, if that wheel had that rim had a tire on it, that looked so incredible. Yeah, you can see the rain coming down. Well, it was raining a bit there. Trying to catch the rain in between the truck and the phone. Oh, my leg is hurting so bad. Oh. Step back for a second. So 26 is on the Avalanche, huh? No, I just did this really because of the weather and the fact that it was only on jack stands. So I had a little bit of security to, for any reason, the jack stands were to give out, but I doubt it. I got good jack stands, not flimsy ones. Tahoe, getting a bath. I haven't tried to start this truck up since. I need to go down to Zephyr and take the battery out of the Tahoe and out of the Avalanche and take them up there to get new batteries. Get them exchanged. But I've been in such fear of my van breaking down. I haven't been doing much because I don't want to have to tow the van home. Man, I just wish to have a decent running vehicle. Need their tires back up so they can go flat again, so I can find a trade for those 26-inch rims for 22-inch tires. I've had 100 people message me, and none of them has been serious enough to go past, "Hey, you still got them?" So, yeah, I still got them. But I'm gonna cut this camera off. Go get my bag. Maybe go in the house. Lose some weight. Lose a couple pounds there. And get some medicine because, oh, my freaking leg is killing me. Smoke me a bowl. Lay down and relax. Oh, my leg is hurting. Oh. Yep, so Durango's still on the ground. So the only real conclusion I came up with, the fact I don't want to be fighting with the inevitable of either taking a lot longer than I can afford or not being able to do it at all. I'm going to have to tell old Shandy in there that might have to bite a bullet and take the 33s with the 20s down to the tire shop. Maybe cost on $100 or so instead of the 220 that they gave me the quote for to remove those tires off of the black wheels and those tires off of the chrome wheels. Put the 33s on the black rims and put those tires on the chrome 20s. And they gave me the quote to balance the black wheels with the 33s. They gave me a quote for all that for $220. So I wonder how much just to take the rims and tires off of the chrome 20s with the 33s. Now I'll bring them back home. Now I'll put the 33s on the black wheels. And then I can put those wheels on those rims. Air them back up with the Airmaster truck I got. And hopefully be able to get this show on the road and be able to get those rims, those tires on the Avalanche. Get rid of those 26s get new tires for those other wheels, get these rims with those tires back on the Durango, sell the Durango, then I don't know what else. I'm such a loss for direction, doing everything I know how to do and not being capable of doing what else I know how to do, and not being capable of doing much at all is really put me in a down mood. And then the fact that I haven't been able to make no money in 2 years, and there ain't no telling how much longer, so I'm just getting really in my feelings and getting uneasy about everything else, so I just wish that I'm almost to the point of posting everything I have, all 3 trucks, all the tires and rims, and a multi-deal setup package, post on Facebook that blah blah blah, I want to get rid of everything. I'll take one good running decent Chevy truck and then restart everything I've been working for last couple years. But alright, see y'all. Y'all have a great day, and boy, stay blessed, stay motivated, and I'm trying. Oh boy, I'm trying. Alright, 10 minutes.